your products are available where in India? How if the Indian customers would like to buy, how do they buy this?
So if we have any potential inquiries from an Indian customer base, they can visit our website, and we have a business inquiry form they can fill out very, very quickly and very easily. We also have the members of Flexiv Singapore who will be dealing with the Indian market especially. We do plan to open an office in India soon, but there's no set time frame at the moment. This is our Ryzen 4 robot, and this is completing a component insertion task. Very often you'll see robots rely on some type of computer vision interface to do this. With our robots it's not necessary because again, we have the 7 degrees of freedom with a force torque sensing. This gives the robots an ability to feel the socket or feel the point where they're trying to insert. It's very, very unique. If you imagine you're on a production line and your workpiece is misaligned by 5 millimeters, a standard robot wouldn't be able to understand it. It would try to insert and damage either the component or the socket. With our robots, they can actually feel. So very often, when the circuit restarts, you'll be able to see the robot go to insert the component and it will wiggle and feel the seating location, the seating point. A good way to imagine it is if you're at night and you're trying to charge your phone, you're trying to wiggle in your cable, it's exactly the same process that we employ here. So the cycle's about to restart any moment now, and we'll be able to see it wiggle in. So maybe if you'd like to get a bit closer. So he's going to insert this cable into this socket here. He's feeling. He's found the seating location and he inserts to a preset. Wow. Again with this 2 cog situation, the first one is obviously very easy. The second one he'll have to rotate slightly because of the teeth on this gear. So he's found he's not found it yet. He's found it. He'll give it a wiggle. There we are, in. This guarantees quality and it guarantees consistency in your manufacturing tasks. And it's something we're very, very proud of. We spent a long time developing these force sensors, and it's the reason Flexiv was born. Our C-suite team, our co-founders, are all engineers at heart, and it was their hard work that developed these force sensors. Although these items are quite large, we also do chip seating, we do FPC ribbon cable insertion for phones, we do any type of application that requires a sense of touch, a human's ability to understand when a component is seated.
Okay, this is our 4K.
Thanks a lot. Yeah.
Thank you so much. It's a pleasure
Thank
to
you.
have
Thank
you
you
here
very
today.
much. Yes.